Holy cow, can you believe it? It's that time again. Welcome to Science with Bowden. By the way, I'm going to work on a theme song and all that, so if you have any suggestions, make sure you email me. But we are definitely going to class this thing up for me. I'm thinking pyrotechnics, fire shooting up, confetti dropping down, light strobing, I don't know, but we'll come up with something. Alright, so, pressure. No, not the pressure that you feel to get all this stuff done, but hey, get your homework done. What are you doing? You got all day to set it home. Get it taken care of. So, pressure that we're talking about today is atmospheric pressure. I know that today's video seemed a lot more like, wait a minute, I thought we were talking about pressure and not the weather system. Well, it turns out that air pressure is what creates the weather system. Even rain? Yes, even rain. It has to do with the pressure changing from high to low. What about fog in the morning? We've had fog the last few, or at least lately. Does that have to do with pressure? And my answer is yeah, it does. It has to do with pressure and temperature, which are very closely related. Okay? They have to do with moving from high concentration to low concentration. If you haven't noticed, I've used that term a couple different times, moving from high to low. By the way, I'm also going to be posting a couple things that are going to be enrichment that are going to have to do with weather that you're going to get to track, draw. We'll talk about some meteorology type stuff, how stuff moves from high to low and over, and yeah. So, highlights of stuff. What did we talk about? Well, there's fronts, okay? Fronts are when two types of air masses meet. Oh, by the way, there are two types of air mass. You're either a warm air mass or you're a cold air mass, okay? And when those two meet and then the ground where they connect, that is called a front. Now, there's divergent fronts, which means that they are going away from each other. There's convergent fronts, that means they're coming towards each other. Or there's stationary fronts, which means they're just going to set there. And sometimes stationary fronts are kind of the worst. Now, sometimes you get more weather from, which one do you think, divergent or convergent? We'll talk about that later. But if I think about it, I think I know which one that I would choose, okay? Convergent, going away, or convergent coming together, sorry, divergent going away, and then stationary just setting there beside each other, or on top of each other, or I don't know, whatever it wants to do, but not moving. Okay, so the other really weird thing that we talked about in the lesson today is typhoons. Oh wait a minute, we don't say that here in America. We say hurricane. Cyclone? Willy Willy? That was different. I learned about that. That would be in the southern part of the world, not United States. Okay. We also learned a little bit about the term tropical and moderate. Okay. You can look at those. And then the one that we really did not get to talk about, but I posted a secondary video on, and that's the sonic boom. I just threw that in there because, dang, when I talk about air, I like to talk about breaking the sound barrier. Pretty amazing stuff happens right there. Get online, find some pictures of a jet as it creates it, or as it breaks it, should I say. And then that's going to be kind of our topic of conversation later is what is it when the sound barrier is broken, that sonic boom? What is that really? Now that doesn't quite have to do with our high and low pressures that we're talking about right now, but check it out. Remember, do your work, get your stuff turned in. If you have a question, ask. Email jbowden@fredoniaks.com, just like yours, only first initial, last name. Also, heck, I'm a button on Google Classroom. Click that mail icon. Talk to me. Let me know how things are going. By the way, I'm going to be reaching out to you via email on Thursday, and I'll be reaching out, you're Wednesday, sorry about that, reaching out to your parents on Thursday and letting them know how everything is going. So that means, are you getting on Google Classroom? Are you getting your assignments taken care of? How are you touching base with me? Do I know that you're still alive out there? Am I just talking to a camera? Well, yeah, I am, but you know what I mean. All right, so great to see you. Email me. Let me know how things are going, okay? Till next time, move pressure from high to low. I'll see you later.